Namaskaram. Next few clauses, we don't have to discuss it in much detail, so we will just finish it quickly. Clause number 36 is already omitted with effect from 1st April 2021, so you don't have to report under that particular clause. Clause number 36A, even that clause is applicable exclusively to the company, please understand. And since the DDT is not applicable right now from AY 21-22, Dividend Distribution Tax, hence the reporting under this clause would be no relevant. Okay, so this clause was also required to be reported only when dividend distribution tax is applicable, and it was only for the company assessee. So I'm ignoring the detailed discussion here and I'm moving forward. Next clause is clause number 37. Okay, clause number 37. Whether any cost audit was carried out. You know that large corporations, manufacturing entity, they have to carry out the cost audit. If yes, give the details if any, and disqualification or disagreement. So the cost audit will be done by the CMA, cost and management accountant. Earlier we used to call them CWA, cost and works accountant. So these are the professionals who do the cost audit. And if they have done the cost audit, if your entity is of that class where the cost audit becomes applicable, then whatever disqualification and disagreement or any matter or value or quantity as may be reported or identify the cost auditor, as a tax auditor you have to put highlight on that and you have to report it to the income tax department, because cost auditor will not report it to the income tax department. It is your responsibility to report the disqualification of the cost auditors to the department. What is the checklist that you should follow here? Ask the assessee whether any cost audit was conducted during the year. If yes, then take the observation from the cost audit report. No need to report in case cost audit is ordered but not carried out during the year. Collect the details, if any, called disqualification and disagreement, that you have to submit. Clause number 38 is also on the similar line, but here the audit is not cost audit. Here audit was conducted under Central Excise Act 1944. Right now, only few articles like petroleum product, tobacco product, they are under Central Excise Act, but right now majority time it is under GST Act. Okay, if GST audit has been done and by the department, if yes, give the details if any disqualification or disagreement or any other matter or value or quantity as may be reported by the auditor. So whenever there is an audit under the indirect taxes law, I guess you are supposed to mention it here. Ask the assessee details of any excise audit conducted, take note of observation report, collect details if any disqualification and disagreement, and mention that in the tax audit report. Next is on the similar line, clause number 39, whether audit was conducted under section 72 of the Finance Act. This is for service tax. This was for service entity. Right now, this particular thing again will be taken care by the GST, by the any indirect tax auditor, and if there are any disqualifications or any observation which are adverse on the company, then those observation and disqualification you have to highlight it here. Okay, I guess these are the clauses. I don't think so you would have done the reporting anytime in these clauses, because very exceptionally these clauses are applicable. So I'll just cut my discussion here and we'll discuss the next clause in the next lecture. Thank you.